Welcome to Akbar Technical Quiz video. Can you guess the logo in 3 seconds? Let's get started.
Guess the logo.
It's Pringles.
Guess the logo.
It's Firefox.
Guess the logo.
It's NASA.
Guess the logo.
It's Alibaba.
Guess the logo.
It's Olympic rings.
Guess the logo.
It's Pixelab.
Guess the logo.
It's Amazon.
Guess the logo.
It's Airtel.
Guess the logo.
It's Ferrari.
Guess the logo.
It's Huawei.
Guess the logo.
It's Whirlpool.
Guess the logo.
It's United Nations.
Guess the logo.
It's Pinterest.
Guess the logo.
It's Asia Cup.
Guess the logo.
It's UC Browser.
Guess the logo.
It's NATO.
Guess the logo.
It's Starbucks. Which logo is this? It's ICC, International Cricket Council. Guess the logo. It's MasterCard.
Guess the logo.
It's Adidas.
Guess the logo.
It's KineMaster.
Guess the logo.
It's Flickr.
Guess the logo.
It's Wikipedia.
Guess the logo.
It's PSL, Pakistan Super League.
Guess the logo.
It's Telegram.
Guess the logo.
It's IPL, Indian Premier League.
Guess the logo.
It's WWE, World Wrestling Entertainment.
Guess the logo.
It's Shell.
Guess the logo.
It's EasyPayzer.
Guess the logo.
It's McDonald's.
Guess the logo.
It's Pepsi.
Guess the logo.
It's Unilever.
Guess the logo.
It's Puma.
Guess the logo.
It's Suzuki.
Guess the logo.
It's Nike.
Guess the logo.
It's Ambuja Cement.
Guess the logo.
It's Rolex.
Guess the logo.
It's Linux.
Guess the logo.
It's Mitsubishi.
Guess the logo.
It's Kodak.
Guess the logo.
It's PayPal.
Guess the logo.
It's Netflix.
Guess the logo.
It's Spotify.
Guess the logo.
It's Instagram.
Guess the logo.
It's Twitter.
Guess the logo.
It's KFC.
Guess the logo.
It's Honda.
Guess the logo.
It's National Geographic.
Guess the logo.
It's Total.
Guess the logo.
It's Android.